PM&R physicians improve the quality of life for their patients and advance the specialty through groundbreaking research, innovative care, advocacy, public service, and volunteerism. The American Academy of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation and the Foundation for PM&R offer our deepest gratitude to those with an exceptional commitment to excellence and advancement in physiatry.
The Foundation for Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation's mission is investing in the scientific foundation and advancement of physiatric care through research. Year over year, the number of grant applications has greatly increased, as has the level of scientific sophistication, making these awards competitive and prestigious. Congratulations to the following Foundation for PM&R grant recipients. Each year, the Foundation provides Richard Matterson ERF New Investigator Grants to support career development for physiatric investigators 5 years or less out of training. This year's recipients include Dr. Alexandra Bailing, Spaulding Rehabilitation Hospital, Harvard Medical School. Relationship of tibial bone perfusion to stress fracture healing outcomes. Dr. Nicholas Race, University of Pittsburgh Medical Center, social relationship status and serotonergic dysregulation contributions to unhealthy social behavior and impaired stress management after TBI. Dr. Elliot Block, Casa Colina, EEG biomarkers of motor and cognitive recovery following transcutaneous auricular vagus nerve stimulation in acute stroke patients, a preliminary study. The Encompass Mid-Career Investigator Research Grant provides pilot funding to an established investigator with a proven track record who wants to explore a new line of research. Dr. Adrienne Richard Dennis, Hospital du Sacré-Cœur de Montréal, using a point-of-care electrophysiological method to accelerate the detection of neurogenic bladder dysfunction and improve prognosis of neurofunctional recovery after acute spinal cord injury. The Nadler-Passor Musculoskeletal Research Grant supports an established physiatric investigator who proposes an outstanding, innovative musculoskeletal rehabilitation research study. Dr. Daniel Herman, University of California, Davis. Effect of COVID-19 infection on neuromuscular control factors related to musculoskeletal function, a pilot study. The Pain Management and Spine Care Research Grant supports physiatric research in these vital areas. Dr. Roger Luo, Rutgers, New Jersey Medical School, PM&R program, phenol neurolysis for the treatment of osteoarthritic knee pain. The Gabriella Molnar Pediatric PM&R Lifetime Achievement Award recognizes the extraordinary contributions to patient care, training, and research in pediatric physiatry. Dr. Maureen Nelson, Baylor College of Medicine and San Antonio Children's Hospital. Dr. Nelson is a professor of pediatrics and PM&R at Baylor College of Medicine and medical director of pediatric physical medicine and rehabilitation at Seton Healthcare Network. For more than 3 decades, she has contributed to our knowledge of brachial plexus injury and recovery in children. Her research and publications also include important work in adaptive sports and recreation, as well as electrodiagnosis. Dr. Nelson has also taught more than 600 residents in PM&R. She was selected for this award to recognize her strong leadership and mentorship abilities, as well as her tireless quest to better the lives of children with disability. Foundation for PM&R research grants are made possible by the generosity of donors like you. Your support is appreciated by these grant recipients and awardees who are the future of our field. Congratulations, Foundation for PM&R grant recipients.
AAPM&R leads the advancement of physiatry's impact throughout healthcare across all clinical areas and practice settings through stewardship, leadership, collaboration, innovation, respect for human dignity, and the success of every member. Thank you to this year's award committee for their time and diligence in selecting the following 2023 AAPM&R award recipients. Dr. William F. Macheo, Frank H. Cruzen Lifetime Achievement Award. Dr. Macheo is Chairman, Professor, and Sports Medicine Fellowship Director in the Department of Physical Medicine, Rehabilitation, and Sports Medicine at the University of Puerto Rico School of Medicine. He is a founding partner of Grupo Physiatrico, a PM&R specialty group practice that has provided outpatient services in Puerto Rico for the last 37 years. Dr. Macheo is Director of the Sports Injuries Unit of the Center for Sports Health and Exercise Sciences of the Olympic Training Center and is currently the Medical Director for the Puerto Rican delegations that participate in this Olympic cycle. He was President of AAPM&R in 2009, the Puerto Rico Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation Association, the Puerto Rico Sports Medicine Federation, and the Physiatric Association for Spine, Sports, and Occupational Rehabilitation. He also served on the board of the American Board of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation from 2006 until 2018, holding the position of Vice Chair from 2015 to 2018. His areas of academic and research interest include epidemiology of sports injuries, rehabilitation and prevention of sports injuries and management, rehabilitation and return to play following anterior cruciate ligament injury. His most important achievement is his family. He has been married to Dr. Vanessa Marcial for the last 41 years and has 2 sons, both lawyers, Javier and Francisco. Dr. Macheo's countless achievements have evolved the specialty, and it is with great honor that we recognize his extraordinary impact on PM&R. The Distinguished Member Award was established to honor AAPM&R members who have provided invaluable service to the specialty of PM&R. Dr. Joanne Borgstein, Distinguished Member Award. Dr. Borgstein is a physiatrist in Wellesley, Massachusetts, and is affiliated with multiple hospitals in the area, including Massachusetts General Hospital, Spalding Rehabilitation, and Newton Wellesley Hospitals. She is currently Chief, Division of Sports and Musculoskeletal Rehabilitation at Spalding Rehabilitation Hospital Network and the Harvard Department of PM&R. She is the Director of Regenerative Medicine for Mass General Brigham Healthcare. She received her medical degree from Albert Einstein College of Medicine of Yeshiva University and has been in practice for more than 20 years. Dr. Michael Fredrickson, Distinguished Member Award. Dr. Fredrickson is the Director of PM&R Sports Medicine in the Department of Orthopedic Surgery and co-director of the Stanford Center on Longevity and founder of Lifestyle Medicine. He is also the head team physician for the Stanford track and field and swimming teams, the medical director for Stanford Club Sports, and a WUSI Human Performance Alliance member. An Academy member since 1989, he has volunteered at both national and international levels with USA Track and Field and the International Olympic Committee. Dr. Aslan Tariq, Distinguished Member Award. Dr. Tariq is a physician executive with more than 11 years of experience in a variety of leadership roles. He is presently Chief Clinical Officer at Optimal Health Medical Fitness in Madrina. A first-generation immigrant from Pakistan, Dr. Tariq completed his undergraduate studies at Stony Brook University, medical school at Lake Erie College of Osteopathic Medicine, and residency at Marion Joy Rehabilitation Hospital. An Academy member since 2007, he is currently a member of AAPM&R's Future Leaders Program and a Doximity Digital Health Fellow. The Public Service Award has been renamed to the PM&R Public Service Health Equity and Advocacy Award to underscore our members in these areas. Dr. Talia Fleming, PM&R Public Service Health Equity and Advocacy Award. Dr. Fleming is an accomplished academic physiatrist who advocates for healthcare policies and practices to improve access to care for individuals with disabilities in under-resourced communities. While maintaining dual board certification in physical medicine and rehabilitation, as well as brain injury medicine, she serves as the medical director of the Stroke Recovery Program, Post-COVID Rehabilitation Program and Aftercare Programs at JFK Johnson Rehabilitation Institute in Edison, New Jersey. She's been an AAPM&R member since 2004. Dr. Brenda Waller, PM&R Public Service, Health Equity, and Advocacy Award. Dr. Waller has enjoyed a career in PM&R for 34 years. She received her early education in rural Virginia, attended Howard University, obtaining a BS in chemistry, and went on to the University of Pittsburgh for her medical degree. Dr. Waller maintains her sole proprietor private practice, PRIS, PLC, Physical Rehabilitation and Interventional Spine, and has been recognized for her many years of service as teaching faculty for paraprofessional medical staff. She's been an AAPM&R member since 1989. Rehabilitation Services Volunteer Project, PM&R Public Service, Health Equity, and Advocacy Award. RSVP is an all-volunteer, nonprofit organization that provides rehabilitation services and durable medical equipment to uninsured and underinsured individuals with disabilities that lack access to the services that we provide. Their volunteer team is made up of multidisciplinary healthcare professionals and other individuals committed to providing high-quality rehabilitative care that is comprehensive, compassionate, and community-oriented. This new award is presented to Academy members who have made an impact on the future of PM&R through distinction in innovation, advocacy, leadership, service, or clinical practice within 10 or fewer years of practice. Dr. Daniel C. Herman, Early PM&R Career Award. An Academy member since 2007, Dr. Herman is an accomplished sports medicine physiatrist, researcher, and educator in the Department of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation at the University of California at Davis, where he has been an associate professor since 2021. He is the director of sports medicine research for his department and maintains an active interdisciplinary research program focused on sports injury risk assessment, biomechanics, and prevention related to musculoskeletal injuries and concussions. Dr. Prakash S. Jayabalan, Early PM&R Career Award. Dr. Jayabalan is the Physician Scientist Director of the Nancy W. Knowles Strength and Endurance Lab at the Shirley Ryan Ability Lab and an Associate Professor in the Department of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation at Northwestern University, Feinberg School of Medicine. He currently serves as chair of the Academy's Health, Policy, and Legislation Committee and is a member of the Quality Practice, Policy, and Research Committee and Sports Medicine Work Group. He focuses his clinical practice on the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of sports injuries and degenerative joint disease. Dr. Matthew J. McLaughlin, Early PM&R Career Award. Dr. McLaughlin serves as an associate professor and division director at Children's Mercy in Kansas City, Missouri. He is a duly trained pediatric physiatrist and clinical pharmacologist whose primary research encompasses the concepts of precision medicine and pharmacogenomics. A member since 2010, Dr. McLaughlin's passions include cycling and adaptive sports, which he has merged, serving as an international and national level paracycling classifier for Union Cycliste Internationale and the United States Olympic and Paralympic Committee. This new award recognizes individuals whose efforts have significantly elevated the understanding and value of physiatry across healthcare. Dr. Lori Grafton, PM&R Awareness and Value Award. Dr. Grafton's areas of clinical expertise involve the specialized care of individuals with traumatic brain injury through a comprehensive and multidisciplinary approach. She continues to work towards establishing a continuum of care for brain-injured patients who receive their care at Penn State Health, with an ongoing focus on early consultation and intervention, as well as long-term management. Dr. David Rosenblum, PM&R Awareness and Value Award. An Academy member since 1988, Dr. Rosenblum was drawn to physiatry after witnessing the functional difference the discipline could make in the lives of those recovering from life-altering illnesses or injuries. Board certified in physical medicine and rehabilitation, spinal cord injury medicine, and brain injury medicine, he joined Gaylord Specialty Healthcare in 1992 and now serves as medical director of the Milne Institute for Healthcare Innovation, director of medical education, director of the Spinal Cord Injury Program, and the research site director of the Model Systems SCI program. He is also an associate clinical professor in the Department of Orthopedics and Rehabilitation in the Yale School of Medicine. Dr. Lauren Shapiro, PM&R Awareness and Value Award. Dr. Shapiro is an associate professor of clinical physical medicine and rehabilitation at the University of Miami Miller School of Medicine, where she serves as the vice chair of quality, safety, and compliance for the PM&R department. She also serves as the medical director of the Stroke Rehabilitation Service at the Christine E. Lynn Rehabilitation Center for the Miami Project Cure Paralysis, a role that integrates her interests in inpatient rehabilitation, neurorehabilitation, medical education, and global health. She's been an AAPM&R member since 2006. The Passor Legacy Award and Lectureship is meant to recognize an individual in mid-career who has advanced musculoskeletal physiatry through clinical care, education, service, or scholarship. Dr. Nithin Jain, Passor Legacy Award and Lectureship. Dr. Jain is a tenured professor of physical medicine and rehabilitation and orthopedic surgery. He serves as vice chair of the Department of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation and chief of the section of musculoskeletal medicine and research. In his role as UT Southwestern's co-director of musculoskeletal and sports medicine, he leads the UTSW Sports and Musculoskeletal Clinic and educational programs. A sports medicine specialist and Academy member since 2007, Dr. Jain is an expert at treating non-surgical musculoskeletal disorders. Thank you to the 2023 award recipients for advancing our specialty and the work we do on behalf of our patients. Please join us in congratulating all of the distinguished AAPM&R and Foundation for PM&R 2023 award winners.